With just 2 trading days left in 2024, the positive takeaway is that Nifty is headed for glorious 9 straight years of gains. That said, it will be a December to forget for the Nifty bulls camp. Our call of the day suggests, until the big FIIs camp return to their buying desk, volatility will continue to be the hallmark and Nifty and its stocks just cannot stomach higher. So, the biggest negative catalyst will be record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This CY25, FIIs have net sold to the tune of 3,938 crores rupees. Technically, Nifty is trading sluggish below its 200 DMA, which is placed at 23,862 mark. Meanwhile, the Indian rupee is now at its record all-time low at 85.53. Rupee has registered the steepest fall in almost 2 years. Please note, the rupee's drop to 85 from 84 has happened over 2 months, while the decline to 84 from 83 took nearly 14 months. Weak rupee makes Indian stock markets less attractive to foreign investors and raises inflation fears. For the day, rising US bond yields are also likely to be the biggest negative catalyst going forward. The US 10-year US bonds yields have spiked higher to 4.61%, the highest in 7 months. Amidst this backdrop, Wall Street witnessed massive sell-off in Friday's trade. The S&P 500 fell 1.1%, the Nasdaq 100 lost 1.3%, and the Dow Jones had dropped 333 points, the Dow Jones snapping a 6-session winning streak. Meanwhile, the negative catalysts for Nifty and its stocks. 1. This FY25, FIIs have already net sold to the tune of rupees 250,989 crores. 2. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. 3. The Indian rupee is now at its record closing low at 85.26, all-time low of 85.28. Weak rupee makes Indian stock markets less attractive to foreign investors and raises inflation fears. Long story short, our call of the day suggests, the bigger the intraday panic, the better for the bulls camp.